online entrepreneurs, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print on demand partner. Today's video is all about the popular business model known as white labeling. The market is currently worth billions of dollars, and as of right now, its growth is not slowing down. So keep watching to learn how you can cash in on this lucrative market. Before we get started, we want to know what challenges you face as an online entrepreneur. At Printbest, we're always making new videos to help you overcome your challenges. So let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to the Printbest channel so you don't miss a thing. Now let's get started with white labeling. So what is white labeling? Well, it's a business model. It's when a company sells you their products or services, and then you brand them as your own to resell. So for example, you buy baseball caps from a manufacturer, get them decorated with your logo, and sell them under your own brand. White labeling is a little bit different from private labeling, so if you're curious about the difference, you can find out in our related blog article, which is linked in the description below. So as an entrepreneur, you're probably thinking, okay, what kinds of products and services can I white label? There are lots of options, but today we're gonna give you the top 6 categories that are super popular and profitable when it comes to white labeling. Here we go. Number 1, white labeling physical products. This is the easiest to wrap your mind around. You buy generic, unbranded items, add your own brand, and sell them. There are 3 ways to do this. The first method is buying blank items in bulk directly from the manufacturer and decorating them yourself. This is ideal if you're an artist or you have the right equipment. The second method is getting items drop shipped under your own brand. Using apps like Overlow or Spocket, you can sell items in your online store that are manufactured elsewhere. When someone places an order, the manufacturer will send the product straight to your customer. The final method is print on demand. This is when you connect your store to a printing company and sell products that they can print. When someone places an order, the item is printed with your unique brand or design and then drop shipped to your customer. This option is great for creative online entrepreneurs who don't have a large startup budget. To learn more, check out printbest.com. White label opportunity number 2, software. You no longer need to be a developer to sell software. Companies like ActiveCampaign offer their software as white label products that you can sell under your own brand. This opportunity is great if you prefer working with businesses instead of individual consumers. A lot of small businesses are looking for affordable ways to automate their marketing, manage customer accounts, and send emails. Now, they can get it all done through the white labeled software that you offer under your brand. Opportunity number 3, white labeling content. If you've ever heard of ghostwriters, you get the idea. You have clients looking for content, whether it's an article, a social media post, an email, or something else. They pay you for it and you outsource it by paying a content writer. The money that you have left is your profit. Essentially, you're the middle person that connects your client's needs to the content solution. Opportunity number 4 is white labeling graphic design. If you have an eye for good design, but lean more on the side of a manager or entrepreneur, then this opportunity is great for you. It works the same way as white labeling content. When your client needs designs for their logo, business cards, or other assets, you simply outsource the designing to a third party. The 5th opportunity is white labeling SEO services. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's when businesses try to make their website show up higher on search results. In this case, you either outsource your client's needs to an SEO expert, or you resell optimization tools created by a third party. Since SEO comes with many different components, you may have to provide several tools and services in order to meet the full spectrum of your client's needs. Before revealing our last white labeling opportunity, we want to encourage you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to turn on the notifications while you're at it. You don't want to miss any of the new videos that we're making to help you. And now, opportunity number 6. White label website solutions. Back in the day, building a website required help from a developer or agency. Today's drag and drop website builders like Wix or Squarespace allow you to create websites without having to know coding. And if you don't want to create them yourself, you can even outsource the entire process to a third-party company. Research by Website Builder Expert found that on average, you can make a website for around $200 and then sell it for around $6,000. those were the top 6 white label opportunities for online entrepreneurs. If we missed something important, let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to get started selling white label products, we recommend checking out the Printbest catalog to see what kinds of print-on-demand products you can sell. The link is in the description below. Good luck, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.